Grief is a critical part of anyone's recovery journey. If you are really diving deep into your recovery and from relational trauma, you will pass through grief. There will be wounds that need exploring, that need grieving in a safe place. And grief is a combination of anger, yearning, searching, tears, rage, hurt, sense of being wronged, betrayal, whatever it is. The container of grief can hold it and accommodate it and let those wounds that are held deeply in the limbic system come to the surface, be witnessed by the thinking mind, where you can reorder it. You can start to make sense of what's happened to you. You can start to befriend those parts of yourself that you've probably thrown out of consciousness because they seem too frightening. They seemed as if they were too scary to bring up. They're not. They're just parts of us. They're just parts of ourselves. So in a contained and supportive environment, it becomes easier to bring them up, and in fact, it becomes a kind of joy. There is an ecstasy in getting in touch with the deeper parts of yourself, because you bring them out of hiding. You deal with the shame, and it deals with itself. The truth is like a lion. Set it free, and it will defend itself. Max Planck talks about, and it's true. If you just give yourself a situation that feels safe, that feels supported, this is your natural yearning. We all cry, we all get angry. This is our path out and into the light. So these parts of ourselves that we think are so well hidden or that we hide from ourselves need a place in recovery to come forward. And that's what the grief workshop does so beautifully. So the sunlight, the beauty of the setting of Rio, the oversight, the companionability of the experience, all create a container in which this can happen. And what people generally find is when they come to something like this, it's an enlivening to the spirit, so that you're not only coming to do this dark grief work, you're also sending something free. So your experience is that your sense of life is renewed, and your sense of yourself is more integrated and whole. So this is why we've designed the grief program, and this is for support in your recovery.